My brother. I have a brother. His name is Ryan, and he is 27 years old. Ryan is my elder brother, and I love him very much. He is my role model, my guide, and someone I always admire. Ryan is tall and athletic, with short brown hair and hazel eyes. He has a warm smile and a calm personality that makes everyone feel comfortable around him. He is a very reliable person, and people trust him because he is always there to help whenever someone needs him. Whether it is family, friends, or even strangers, Ryan never hesitates to lend a helping hand. Ryan works as a software engineer. He loves his job and is very passionate about technology. He always tells me about the projects he is working on and how exciting it is to solve problems through coding. He goes to work early in the morning and comes home in the evening. Even though he is busy, he always makes time for our family. He helps our parents with household chores, and they are very proud of him. Whether it is fixing a leaking faucet, helping with groceries, or preparing meals, Ryan is always willing to contribute. His dedication to both work and family shows how responsible he is. At home, Ryan is very supportive. He helps me with my studies, especially with computer-related subjects. He is very good at coding, and I always ask him for advice when I have trouble with my assignments. He also knows how to fix gadgets. If my phone or laptop stops working, Ryan can repair it in no time. He never gets frustrated when I ask him questions. Instead, he patiently explains things until I understand. His knowledge and willingness to teach me make learning so much easier and enjoyable. Ryan is not only smart but also very generous. He always helps people in need. For example, last month, he helped a neighbor set up their Wi-Fi and even taught them how to use it. Another time, he helped a classmate prepare for a job interview by giving him tips and guidance. Everyone likes Ryan because he is patient and kind. He believes in treating everyone with respect and never judges people based on their background. He says that kindness makes the world a better place, and he always practices what he preaches. In his free time, Ryan loves to play basketball. Every Saturday, he goes to the court with his friends to play for a few hours. He says it helps him stay fit and relaxed. Sometimes, he invites me to watch his games, and I cheer for him from the sidelines. Watching him play makes me proud because he is so talented and dedicated. Ryan also enjoys watching documentaries about space and technology. He finds the universe fascinating and often shares interesting facts with me. Sometimes, we stay up late talking about planets, black holes, and the mysteries of space. These conversations are always exciting because I get to learn so much from him. Ryan and I have a special bond. We like to talk about everything, from school to future plans. I can share my dreams with him, and he always encourages me to work hard and stay focused. He believes that nothing is impossible if we are determined and put in the effort. If I feel stressed, Ryan knows how to calm me down. He takes me out for ice cream or plays video games with me. Sometimes, we watch funny movies together and laugh until our stomachs hurt. These moments are very special to me because they remind me how lucky I am to have such a caring brother. Even though we sometimes argue, we never stay angry for long. Ryan says I am his little sister, and he will always protect me. I know he means it because he cares for me so much. He always checks on me to make sure I am doing well, and if I ever feel sad, he does his best to cheer me up. I feel lucky to have a brother like Ryan. He inspires me to work hard, be kind to others, and always do my best. My brother is my hero, and I am so grateful to have him in my life. No matter where life takes us, I know that our bond will always remain strong, and I will always cherish the love and support he gives me.
My father. I have a wonderful father, and his name is David. He is 50 years old, and is the most hardworking and kind-hearted person I know. My father is tall with a strong build, short black hair that is slowly turning gray, and deep brown eyes that always carry warmth and wisdom. His smile is reassuring, and his voice is gentle yet firm. He is the pillar of our family, the one who supports and protects us no matter what. I admire him deeply and feel so grateful to have him as my father. My father works as an accountant. He is very dedicated to his job and spends long hours making sure everything is perfect. He often tells me that honesty and discipline are the keys to success. No matter how busy he is, he always finds time for our family. Every morning, he wakes up early to prepare for work, and in the evenings, he sits with us at the dinner table, listening to our stories and sharing his own experiences. He believes that family is the most important thing in life, and he never lets his work come between us. At home, my father is our guide and protector. He teaches me important life lessons, like being responsible and treating people with kindness. Whenever I face a difficult situation, he gives me advice and helps me find solutions. He has a way of making problems seem smaller and manageable. He encourages me to always do my best and never give up, no matter how hard things may seem. One of the things I love most about my father is his sense of humor. He always finds a way to make us laugh, even when we are feeling down. Whether it's through funny stories or playful jokes, he knows how to lighten the mood. He says that laughter is the best medicine, and I truly believe it, because whenever he makes us laugh, everything feels better. In his free time, my father enjoys gardening. He says it helps him relax after a long day at work. Our backyard is full of beautiful flowers and fresh vegetables, all because of his hard work and dedication. He often invites me to help him water the plants and teach me about different types of flowers and their benefits. It's one of my favorite activities because it allows me to spend quality time with him. My father also loves reading. He has a huge collection of books, and he always encourages me to read as well. He believes that books are the gateway to knowledge and wisdom. Sometimes we sit together in the living room, each reading our favorite books, and later we discuss what we've learned. These moments are very special to me because they make me feel closer to him. Even though my father is strict when it comes to discipline, he is also very loving and caring. He always makes sure that I have everything I need and that I am happy and healthy. If I ever feel sad or discouraged, he reminds me that he believes in me and that I can achieve anything I set my mind to. His words always give me strength and confidence. I feel incredibly lucky to have such an amazing father. He is my hero, my guide, and my biggest source of inspiration. I hope that one day I can make him as proud as he makes me. No matter where life takes me, I will always cherish the love, wisdom, and kindness he has given me. My father is my greatest role model, and I am forever grateful to have him in my life.